No, I did not. So she doesn't know we're together.
I look so ugly. See, I'm just taking videos like this, not even talking. She's so happy, Trey. Target girly and Walmart. With Walmart out.
We're getting Target.
They don't have the little one. Hello.
Oh.
The sauce. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. I think. Oh, I'm gonna have to go inside.
Whatever, it's your back.
What? Just asking if the green bag is the trash.
No side stuff like this. Yeah.
That's a tiny town. It's about to end in like 2 seconds. They literally, that's it. We're done with the town.
Yes. Oh my god.
He's falling still.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Welcome to Delaware. Look at that Phoenix building right next to us. Oh my god. We paid $1 for this.
We made it.
Oh, you're yawning. You didn't get enough beauty rest.
Hello. How many bags did you?
5.
I have 1. I brought 2. And a lot.
And a bed. 2 in a bed.
So nice. So many floors. Oh my gosh. There's a rooftop.
It's giving it ends with us.
Hello.
This is nice.
Wow.
All you feel is.
There's a walk-in closet and everything.
Yeah, my bedroom looks nice, huh?
Yeah, you have
I'm gonna enjoy this tub.
it. Stephanie, house tour.
That is so nice. Look, our friend was talking about the detachable shower.
Oh yeah. This is my room. Sorry, Amy.
We claimed this one.
And they were roommates. Head out.
We got a TV.
Huh?
We got a TV.
Every room has TV.
Not everyone. This one doesn't have it.
My parents already claimed it.
Last time.
I'm so tired. Just waiting for the trolls. Are you cold?
Come. No, this way. They're in that door. Open the door. Yeah, open. Go get them. Say, wake up, Rosemary. Say, wake up.
But basically, we're all going to Sesame Place
For one kid.
for one kid.
You see a red car. What else you
Find
see?
another person.
I know. I was telling Amy, I was like,
Ow! Well, what?
good.
What do you see?
Yeah. It's happened 3
Red
times
car?
now.
Down the fort.
Places like things like this have to have. It's a lot of goats.
There's no alcohol in Wawa
CVS?
or CVS.
Just energy drinks.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. The light is like.
Oh, there's a bike. What the Oh, there's a bike. There's a bike. Oh, bike.
Another left.
Another left.
I can just wipe down the table.
She's on a beach and beach. I need you to think of the beach.
I keep trying to say it's a bicycle, and he's like,
Bicycle.
no, it's a bicycle.
Bicycle.
He's like, bye, bye,
We're all here for Aries. Aries, where are we going?
What?
Oh.
Stop it, I'm trying to walk here. You let me trip. Oh my god, what bird was that? Police car. Oh, police car. There's a big pumpkin.
Right there.
Not it, not it.
Guess who's in line for the merry-go-round?
Aries!
Aries! Aries!
I could like talk to him or wipe in your eye. We're going to this one later.
For your safety.
Was that so fun, Aries? You were flying. Wow, you were flying. No. Hi. They're gonna help you put it down. Buckle up. Here we go.
Go, Aries, go!
You're gonna grab the big metal bar in front of you and you're gonna pull it as close towards you as possible. And you're gonna put your hands all the way back up in the air. Back shortly, thank you.
Are you ready? Do not.
Cheesesteaks. Need some salt.